Okay, so we just had a question come in, which I think is quite a good one. We've seen it a few times. So, how do you run a report for a specific business? So, what this means is obviously, if you go in, you've got what's called Lead Finder inside your enterprise account. And if you go into Lead Finder, you can see that you can search via a keyword, plumber, roofer, electrician, joiner, and a location, and it will pull up a lot of businesses in that particular location and then enable you to run a report on them. So, that's great, but when people get a specific business that comes to them, so for example, I own an SEO agency. So if I type more leads local, and then I go in here and I type Weymouth, click go, and then click find, what will happen is this will actually go off then and find that particular business. If you've got businesses with the same names, obviously it can get a little bit complicated. Now, if I go to click on that, I can't click on it. And the reason I can't click on it is because I've already run a report on it in the past. Okay, so what I can do is go up to prospects, scroll down, click on here, and this will show me the full report that is created. So and you can connect your Wistia inside of your account so that this has got a better voice, but this creates a VSL for you. It creates a full page that the client can go that you can go through, or that you can share with the client and saying we've just had a look at this and realized that there's quite a few things that you could do to improve your Google Business Profile and your rankings and so on and so forth. And management compares it with the competitors. Um, Shows recent reviews, last 3 months, no reviews in the last 3 months. This one's saying why GBP expert matters, things like that. It goes through the whole process, and you can use this. You can click share, and that will go up onto a private link, which doesn't lead back to GBPly. So you can share this with a client. You can share just the presentation, or you can share the full report, or you can share both, and you can do it via URL. It also has a draft outreach email in here. So when you click on this, if you want to outreach to this client, okay, this will write the email for you based on that particular client. And then all you need to do is copy this, copy the top bit, or click open email, and it'll open whatever email is connected to your computer. So let's try this on a different business. So let's go back and let's do Mike Martin Business Coaching. I don't know if I've run this one in the past, but I will do the same thing. Type Weymouth, and then I will click find. So when I go to click on this one, I don't think I've run a report on this in the past. So what I'm going to do is click on the sidebar there, click score, one lead credit. So what now this will do is this will actually create a report for this particular business, which is another one of my businesses. So when I go up to prospects now, I've got Mike Martin Business Coaching here. It says medium opportunity. Okay, so what's it going to say? Obviously, it comes up with the address and everything. It shows that it shows the information. It's got 19 reviews. It's got 10 plus photos. It's 5-star rated. But this is information. Obviously, now a lot of people are using this, so they would be like locksmith, for example. Then they would go and type in Manchester. Oops, Manchester, UK, and you click go, and then it's going to bring in a ton of businesses for you, and you can go through and look at the ones that are high opportunity and go after them. But if you've got a particular client that you've got a meeting with and that you're going to actually sit down and have a conversation with, then it's great to be able to just go in and find one business, do a report on one business, then you've got a report, and then you've also got a draft email that you can send out to that particular business that's been created specifically for that client. So that's how you use the lead finder section inside of GBPly to create reports for clients that are not yet businesses. And if you don't want to do location search because you might not find them, then you just use their business name. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye bye.